So how to get this blade out of your Vitamix blender. I'm going to try to make this short and sweet, but the story is that my wife made some cashew butter today, and what it did is it made this, of course, real dirty, so I wanted to clean it. Now first I thought that I would block it from the inside and take a 10mm or 3/8 inch wrench and just get this acorn nut off, but that doesn't work. So let me show you what you got to do. All right, so all you really need is a pretty long screwdriver like this one here, and kind of wedge it here in between one edge of this collar down here and the middle spindle part. You don't want to scratch this up, and just turn counterclockwise a little bit, and then already you can remove it the rest of the way. Pretty easy. Make sure to do this on top of a soft surface like this here. I got a towel on top here. It doesn't normally drop out. It's just did that because I just removed it. Normally it's kind of stuck in here. So it's normally kind of stuck in there like that, and you got to kind of just give it a push downwards, and you can let it fall here, or you can catch it if you're careful. So, and to put it back together, reverse process, just put that guy in there. You can see that it's held in by these two parallel marks there. So you just have to find the right way to get it back in, like so. And then screw this guy back on clockwise. And then you're gonna be good to go. All right. Excellent. Good to go again. See, it's spinning well. It's on a nice bearing. That stainless steel blade. That's a good blade and good assembly. And this way you can clean it out and put it back in. Thanks for watching, and I hope that the video was helpful. If so, hit that like button.